Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing history from Safari and Google Chrome in iPhone. Click on Settings option. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Now again scroll down and click on option Clear History and Website Data. Same as it is, go back and open Google Chrome in iPhone. Tap on these three dots. Now click on History button. Here you can see your browsing history. Tap on Clear Browsing Data link. Here you can select which things you want to delete. Now click Clear Browsing Data. All your browsing history will be removed. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for more videos.